Have you ever wondered if you could actually work from a beach in Bali or a cozy cafe in Paris? What if I told you that becoming a digital nomad, someone who lives and works from anywhere while making money online, is more achievable than ever? Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travel meets financial freedom. Today we're responding to this question: how to actually become a digital nomad in 2024. Becoming a digital nomad isn't one size fits all. There are many paths you can take, and today we'll present the top 7 ways. Stay tuned for number 5, our favorite way to become a digital nomad, and why we think it's the best path to freedom. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. But first, let's talk about why now is the perfect time to become a digital nomad. With the rise of remote work, technological advancements, and a global shift towards more flexible lifestyles, there's never been a better time to embrace the digital nomad life. More companies are offering remote positions, high-speed internet is available in more places than ever, and there are countless tools to help you stay connected and productive on the go. Plus, the pandemic has shown many of us that traditional office jobs aren't the only way to work. So how can you become a digital nomad? Let's start with our first method, freelancing. Freelancing offers flexibility and control over your work. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect you with clients needing everything from writing and graphic design to coding and marketing. Start by identifying your skills, creating a compelling profile, and building a portfolio. Gradually, you'll find yourself securing steady work that you can do from anywhere in the world. 2. Remote employment. Many companies now offer remote positions. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list job opportunities that don't require a physical office presence. Update your resume to highlight your remote working skills, such as self-motivation, communication, and time management. Apply to companies that align with your career goals and embrace the freedom to work from anywhere. 3. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring could be your ticket to the digital nomad life. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors allow you to teach students from around the globe. Create engaging lesson plans, set your schedule, and enjoy the flexibility to work from any location with a reliable internet connection. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. Starting an online store is easier than ever. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy let you sell products without needing a physical store. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers, letting you manage your business from anywhere in the world. 5. Content creation. If you're passionate about creating content, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer opportunities to monetize your creativity. Share your travel experiences, financial tips, or any niche you're passionate about. Build an audience, engage with them, and explore monetization options like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Content creation is our preferred method because it not only provides financial freedom, but also allows you to inspire and connect with people around the world. Pair your content with affiliate marketing to maximize your income. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Create content that integrates these products naturally and share your unique affiliate links. This can become a significant income stream over time. 7. Online courses and digital products. If you have specialized knowledge, consider creating online courses or digital products. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Gumroad make it easy to design and sell your courses. Ebooks, templates, and guides are other digital products that can generate passive income. Share your expertise and help others while earning money. Now that you've got 7 ways to earn money and become a digital nomad in 2024, which method do you prefer or would like to start? Becoming a digital nomad is about more than just working remotely. It's about embracing a lifestyle of freedom and adventure. Don't overthink it too much. Just take that first step and see where it leads you. Start with one of these 7 methods. Build your skills and gradually transition into the digital nomad life. If there's any method you want more information on, let me know in the comments and I can develop it in future videos. Check out also the description for any digital tools to start your digital nomad journey. Remember, our mantra is travel smart, earn more, live free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your journey with us in the comments below. Until next time, safe travels and happy earning.